All right, so I'm over the detent. See that. But, oh, that is going nowhere.
All right, so you took the barrel out, and the barrel itself actually isn't even really dirty or fouled.
Yeah, so I'm not surprised. I mean, this locks into the receiver trunnions. I wouldn't expect anything with this because it didn't really have access. Put that there. Now, we have a live round in the bolt face, and we have this guy. I think what we need to do is actually strip the parts out the back to be able to get all this junk out of the gun. Oh, there's our live round. Cool.
Oh, it just fell out.
Yep, it just slid out once
it had
the
nowhere
barrel
to go.
was gone.
Yep.
That's good. Now I know there is nothing live.
This is now 100% less explodey.
Yes. And man.
You know, it's interesting. I don't know if you can see it, but when you're pulling on that very hard, it's torquing backwards in a way. It's not going to break, I don't think, but you can see that it's actually like twisting.
It does kind of look like it,
Yeah.
yeah. So you can see the op rod right here in this channel. And the combination of it's rocks and mud in this channel that is preventing me from being able to move the gas piston, the handle, and the op rod itself. So at this point, push that in. Come on. There we go. If I remember my AUG disassembly procedure here. That comes out. That comes out. There's our fire control group. It doesn't look too bad.
Actually, it looks pretty good.
Didn't really have time to get much in there.
Yep. No, that looks fine.
Yeah, that rinses off nicely. Now, let's see. Now we want to punch this out, which should allow me to, Jesus. You can see some of the mud in there. It took a hose last time to actually clear all this.
A lot of hose. There it goes.
It's grindy. There's still stuff in there.
You can see it. Look at all that right there.
Yep. That it pushed back.
Mm-hmm. It's interesting because the rest of the gun might be fine, but this failure point is so significant that you can't find out.
Yeah. That. And then you can see we've got mud stuck on here too.
Yep.
Yeah. All right, so it's shower time for this. There's the Autopsy.
There it goes.
There we go. Got a little bit of crap in here. There was, I think, enough there to prevent it, to give it enough friction that it wouldn't go back into battery on its own. And it's at that point that we then would have had to manually charge it. And
Well, it didn't fully eject either.
That's right, yeah.
So,
I think that's because something slowed down the, well, no, it would have had to speed up the bolt. Or the case caught something on its way out. And there was also some mud in the bolt face that would have prevented.
I know we're going to get asked this for funsies. Why don't we use the whole bucket of water, clean all this off, put it back together, and see if it'll fire again without mud? You think? People will ask. Or maybe it needs the hose again.
Let me see if it'll cycle at this point. I've got a little tiny bit of water left.
Well, you're putting some lotion on its skin. We'll see what happens.
Maybe we've gotten enough out of this. There we go. On. Fit.
You just don't have your universal disassembly tool with you.
There we go. Oh, Steyr's going to be annoyed when they get this rifle back. Almost.
You know, kudos to them for putting their foot forward on this.
Absolutely.
You got it.
Whew, okay. Ought to go a little farther. There it is. All right. Sling swivels in. Remove the grass from the...
Yeah, no grass. It's cycling. Might go.
It's dry firing. I do have my second magazine. Ready?
Yeah.
Not in battery.
Non-battery.
Got a round in the chamber.
All right, pull the mag and just drop the bolt.
Yep.
It is.
Is it?
Yeah, I think so.
I think it is.
All right, you pull the trigger. I'll close my eyes.
Ready?
Yep.
Quick. Not in battery. So we've stripped out most of the lubricant in the process of field stripping it. And there's enough friction from not oil plus residual mud and dirt and crap that now it doesn't want to go into battery. Give it one last try.
People like to always ask, what does it take to get it running again? And this is an example of that, taking it completely apart with an entire bucket of water. The answer was still not quite. Oh, God.
Nope. All right, we're done.
Yeah, we're done.
That's it. This is going to get the full hose spray down, oil up, complete rebuild treatment.